Hi everyone, my name is Emmanuel Arsam, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me on how to grow your own food in your own backyard. So starting off this first video, I'm going to give you guys an entire video on my entire vegetable seed starting saga. I went crazy on starting my own vegetable seeds because after watching so many Kate Ketchell videos, it inspired me to get my hands in the dirt and start my own vegetable seeds because I would love to make an entire video on harvesting, which she has done before and she's doing an amazing job at it. So I went completely ballistic because I've partnered with companies before and they have sent me a huge stock of vegetable seeds and I had a whole bunch left over, and so I used those seeds and I planted them all in about peat pellets, and everything went in about from there. I started from beans to cucumbers to tomatoes, you name it, there's a good chance I grew it. Only a little bit did not make it through. Mostly it was the peppers that didn't make it through, but mostly all the beans, the tomatoes, and any type of brassica did make it out alive. And some of them were direct sowed into the ground, as you can see here with these bush beans. There's two varieties I planted out, which is the early contender bush bean right here. We have the provider bush bean. And finally, we have the Mandori giant soybean, which is my first year growing soybean, and I'm super stoked and happy to see that they're growing. As you notice, beans are the only ones we're able to direct sow here in South Florida because they're very heat tolerant. They love the humidity, so they could sprout in the ground very easily with a great germination rate. A few things that were transplanted out in the ground were tomatoes, cabbages, cauliflower, cucumbers, and so much more. I am super happy to see that the new fresh garden has its new look and it's now going to be able to grow my own food, and I can't wait to try it out and share with my friends and family. Although I could still plant whatever I want in this garden, I still have limited space, so I have to put in what I really like and then experiment later on in the season because I have a huge growing season. I really love vegetable starting because you get cheap plants at a cheaper price and you can get multiple at the same time just in the matter within a few weeks. I do have to advise, peppers and eggplants do take about more than 1 week to germinate, so don't discard the peat pellets because I've done that before and then the seeds come up. So you want to wait about 1.5 weeks in order to see any germination rate. If more than 1.5 weeks passed, then you can go ahead and use the peat pellets for other use or for new seeds. So a few more things I sowed from seed are leeks, onions, garlic, sweet corn, broccoli, and so much more. I hope you guys love this video on this channel, Ultimate Gardening Veggies. This is actually my very first video published on this channel, and I can't wait to show you guys everything about growing your own food because it's a huge excitement and pleasure to grow your own food. If you would like to learn more about flower production and landscape designing, you can go ahead and check out my main channel, Ultimate Gardening, where you can learn all things about flower production and landscape designing. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I can't wait to show you guys more. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.